Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church. You might remember we reviewed this from NEEWER. Now we're reviewing this from NEEWER. Oh man, I can't even fit in the shot. But we're going to be opening it up, trying it out right after this. Okay, so this is the NEEWER RL45B 45 watts, 18-inch, slim edge, lit ring light kit. Yes, that is a lot. And so I think we're just going to get to the opening because, honestly, okay, here's what the box looks like. I don't know if you really need to see that. So now we're going to do the unboxing. This is where it's going to get really awkward. It'll be fine. I kind of wish this opened up like, I don't know, like open up like a pizza box, but unfortunately I don't really think that's going to be the case. We're going to deal with it as we deal with it here. Okay, since this thing is so huge, I'm just going to end up putting it on the ground, and I'm just going to take out the parts that I need to assemble this guy, and I think that's probably the best way to do it. But, so, without further ado, what do we have here? Boom. Alright, but there's more to it than that. Oh my gosh, actually, oh, hey, I didn't realize this, but it looks like it comes like in a very convenient carrying case. And that's about all that's in the box besides some silica gel. Do you really need to see that? No, of course you don't. Alright, let's get this plastic off and then we're going to unzip, or I guess unzip this thing? I'm not even sure. Okay, plastic is off. That's a little better, I guess. Of course this is going to be a giant ring light, so it's going to be very big, isn't it? But we'll see how big it is. So maybe this one, aha! Kind of. Actually that doesn't really flap very well. Hang on a second, I got an idea. Yeah. Okay, so we have this box here. Might as well open up this box, see what's inside. Okay, that took a little while, but we got there. Oh, okay. So it looks like this thing plugs right into the wall with several layers of cords here. I got the brick here that we usually use. Plus this, I'm not sure why this exists, but it's here. We're going to see here. Let's see. Where can we put this? Just put it over here for now. Yes, this is where it gets very complicated. Tiny set of instructions or something. Oh, hello. Actually, this is what appears to be a light of some kind. So is this thing a remote control? I think it is. Which leads to this little kind of strange kind of... Oh, hello. Oh, gosh, I did not expect this. This appears to be some type of remote or something like that. I'm definitely going to have to get serious with this. Oh, man. Okay. Now, okay, this looks like the instructions right here. There's even an app, an operation prompt card, and then of course the instructions for the ring light itself. What do I see here? But, looks like some sort of like gooseneck kind of thing. Yeah, this is obviously the smartphone holder. And let's see, is there another one? There is, or there are two goosenecks. Which leads me to wonder what the heck this thing is. I don't know if you saw that earlier. Okay, let's see what's in here. Some kind of, what is this? Aha! This appears to be some type of mount of something. Yeah. Huh. It's really something. Okay. And then it has a little Allen wrench here. I'm not sure what this thing is, but it's got a nice kind of swivelly kind of thing on it. You know what? I could probably mount this thing on it if I wanted to. But I'm not sure if I should. But I can tell you that this looks like a very intriguing little product here. Anyway, let's see what else is in this giant bag. Someone's box. Yeah, I tell you one thing about unboxing. They tend to get rather messy, don't they? Anyway, so here it is. This is the ring light itself. Quite big here. As you can see, it's going to circle my head here. In fact, I'd like to see a little bit of action here. Hey, check it out. Yeah, let's get it done. Getting very messy. Alright, you know what? Here. The ring light. Soon we'll be making some other run. The ring light. Yeah, check it out. Anyway, okay, that's getting old. Okay, it's got a lot of stuff going on here. There is a power. There's is this a dongle? I think there's actually. I swear this looks like a dongle here. I know you can't see it from where you're at, but dang, that's the... oh, that is a dongle, and it does come right out. Okay, I wonder what that's for. Well, we gotta find that one out. No, actually, shoot. Okay, I realize that. That's a storage place for the dongle, and then... You know what, I don't even know. Okay, that's, we're gonna check this out here. This is getting really cool here, because, yeah, it just is. Now, wait a second. If this is a ring light, shouldn't it have some legs or something like that? Yeah, shouldn't it? Hang on. Okay, it does have legs, and they're down here in this little pocket of types. And so let's drag them out. Ta-da! Yeah, this is actually very convenient and stuff. Just to let you know, this thing is kind of... It's definitely designed for work on the go here. I mean, yeah, so who knows? The next conference I go to, I might just take this little thing with me. Setup, though, could take some time here, and I sort of expected that. Yeah, okay. So, what do we got here? Oh, okay. And, okay, I don't know how well I can do this. Okay, does this like, okay, these are legs that fold out. Like this. Okay. I can see what we're getting at here. Unfortunately, alright. Maybe I should have just done this from the get-go, but I'm going to turn this whole operation around here, just so I can assemble this. So, yeah. Okay, the one thing they don't tell you when you're reviewing a ring light is you need a ring light to film you reviewing the ring light. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Okay. So I got this thing. This tripod built for it. Now we're gonna hopefully put this thing on the top. Now, let's get our ring. We did something like this. Okay, this thing needs to hinge up and it's not really doing that. This thing is, it's weird. There's like a, like that should, there we go, okay. And this kind of does that. Okay, I see, this is adjustable, so. So we put this on here. It's a fit, but it's not really a good fit. I feel like that should just slot right in there. Let me do that. Okay. There's this thing though. I'll tighten that there. Okay, that's there. So that's pretty good. Yeah, okay, I'm seeing on the thing that looks like it's shining, but it's not. It's actually just reflecting the other ring light I have here. This is where it's going to get tricky. Okay, I got the extension cord set up, so now, there's something about this thing about, okay, I think I have to attach something here, and yeah, so, Okay, so according to the instructions, basically I have to attach this here, and it attaches magnetically as you can see here, and then it says a long press on the back should turn it on. Okay, obviously we're seeing what I'm supposed to be seeing here. Okay, this is where it gets super kind of cool. Alright, shoot. At this point in time, my camera doesn't even know how to handle this.
I'm an angel, and God loves you, and He doesn't want you to be doing what you're doing here.
Sorry, couldn't resist. Okay, because I love to tinker with things, I'm going to just start turning down stuff, and maybe that'll help. There's this thing here. Okay, that seems to be... Okay, that's probably turning the brightness up. Let's try turning this. Up. Okay, we got brightness control here. And then this is color temperature. Not bad at all. So, if we want to do some really professional type videos, we need to set up our smartphones here. So I've got this thing I can just turn, put on here, and they just insert into here. have my cell phone holders. So I can start putting things in here and doing that. Not bad. Hey, I forgot to check something out here and discover the color temperature, which is what I believe this right knob does on this remote control. And yeah, there it goes. Huh, what if I just took this thing off? Can I do that? Oh my gosh, I can! This thing is that remote. I didn't even know I could do that. Pretty fantastic. Oh yeah. There's some other buttons here too. Can I show you this? There's like this CH button, and then there's this M button. That's what happens when I push the M button. I don't know, am I trying to get lightning effects? Because that's what it comes off as. Crazy. Oh, some sort of Bluetooth thing? This thing does, I think, have an app that you can control it here. So I'm guessing this is sort of how you set up the Bluetooth here. We'll shut that off for now, as far as the channel goes. Okay, not sure what that does. Might have to write about this in our article, but we will, trust me.
Hey, I suddenly forgot to tell you that this thing has a remote shutter that can basically, I'm not really sure what this can do. I'm guessing it can probably connect to your phone so you can start filming, and that way you don't have to go up to your little ring light and hit the start filming button on your smartphone and stuff like that. All in all, this is a pretty good setup and stuff like that. So yeah, gee, I'm not sure where I'm going to put this in my video, but hey, anyway, this is a really cool device to have all this kind of features. So I'm trying to think of anything else I forgot to left out. Oh, by the way, this thing does a telescope up here, and then you can hold it in place. Something I didn't really talk about when I did my formal review. So yeah, that's a feature that it's got. Telescopes up quite a bit, doesn't it? Or does it? I can't tell. These lights are a little, whoa, hackneyed, as you can see. I'm sure you can tighten them, but whoa, dude, that's wild. I'm surprised that worked that way. All right, hopefully we can tighten this. Oh, okay, there's a lock thing here, so yeah, maybe we should just do that. That would probably have been very smart to do that before I got that on film. Or maybe it's more entertaining, I don't know. Okay, actually, does that lock in place? Okay, yeah, that's how we do that. Okay, wow, that did that unlocked? Man, can you imagine what it does locked? Anyway, so better get back to the review. Okay, so here's the deal. You might just notice like, hey Mark, what happened to the ring light? It changed. Well, it didn't. This is the one I normally use for my videos. But I figured, I think the best way I can show how this works is to simply use it like this and show all the great lighting techniques and stuff like that. So yeah, in other words, my smartphone, actually a different smartphone, is actually in front of it, and now I'm filming me filming. Oh, this is getting really meta, isn't it? It's light ring inception. Boom. Yeah, okay, I'm sick of making that boom joke. Anyway, so yeah, this is with the footage that we're getting right now from my other smartphone, and that's what sort of resolution we're getting. You know what? Let's just do this. I'm gonna take this off. Can I work it from a distance? Yes, I can. Right now I'm playing with the color temperature. I'll let you decide whether it's good or not and which is ideal. You might want to do some experimentation of your own if you get this thing. In the meantime, here's some brightness. Yeah! Okay, we're getting super bright now. Okay, that's way too bright, man. But actually, hang on. There's a shadow in the back that's on the ceiling here. I got pretty high ceilings and I could probably just cut that off if I wanted to. But not if I've got this. Maybe I can make it disappear? I don't know. Okay. Anyway, I'm having fun playing with this thing, and I'm definitely going to be using it in futures, or videos of the future. So, so basically that's a basic setup here. I definitely want to go into more detail in my article on this, but for now, I better get you a price. Okay, so now I'm back at my desk with my new ring light here, and I'm going to get you the price. I've got about $289.99 here, but I think that's in a different currency. So I'm going to see whatever the heck that translates to and hopefully put it on here. But for now, and I have to raise my voice because I don't think my mic is on here. This has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.